Hello viewers, here is a Lakewood 223 box, the Fian. This is a third generation Fian, and ever since I've got this, it just doesn't seem to move a lot of air. So we'll test this out here and see how it's working as of now. So that's the high, and I just don't really feel a lot of airflow. I think that the blades and the motor broke. So I've been spending a lot of time searching for a replacement blade and a motor, and I really haven't been able to find any that were sold separately. But I was able to buy a whole blade and a whole motor, but it came with some other parts that I really didn't need, but that's okay. So I have here a new blade and a new motor because the other one was broken. So we're gonna put this new blade and this new motor in there. It's in really good condition too. It looks like somebody has just recently fully restored that blade and the motor. The blade is so clean, it even looks like somebody might have cleaned it with melamine foam or the Mrs. Filthy Stupid Eraser. Okay, so we're gonna mount the motor into the Fian, and we'll leave the blade attached because that's just the best way to do it. So here's the nails, and they're just like the default, whatever this is called. Screw it. Default, here we go. Oh gosh, it's to spin in the wrong direction. Stupid. Alright, there we go. It's working better now that I turn it to the tightening direction. So you always want to over tighten these screws so that the threads strip out, because then it won't work anymore. Okay, the blades are in place. Now we'll put the cord on. And fortunately, I wrote down where it goes. It goes red and white. Red. Get in there, stupid. Come on! What the heck? Red and white. Okay, all the parts are back in the switch. The new parts are in the switch, and we'll open these little tabs here to help the wire get stuck into the blade and damaged. Never want to secure those in place because then it might not get caught in the blade. Okay, now we'll on the guards. I think this one goes on the front. I don't know why the cord is like that now. The cord didn't come out the top before, but now it's coming out the top. That's kind of peculiar. I wonder if the blades in the motor were the wrong ones. I think that might be the problem. Maybe the blades in the motor were not an exact fit. Gee, I don't know why they're not the exact fit. They came off the same make and model. Fiend. Alright, now we'll put the back guard on because it's dangerous. I think it goes like that. Alright, that's secure enough. Now let's shut it on. Let's see if it works any better now with the new blades and motor. Yeah, it does. It works a little better now. It's kind of noisy, but it does work. It moves more air. Oh, there we go. I definitely think that there's something wrong with the way the cord is. I just thought that it used to come out the back before, but now it comes out the front. But oh well. It's working now. So that's great. And it didn't even cost anything either.